oxygen and liquid hydrogen fill and drain valves. Standing by for the handoff to Endeavour's onboard computers. T-minus 31 seconds and the handoff has occurred.
25. 20.
Firing chain is armed. Suppression water system is armed. Go from
10, 9,
7,
8,
6,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
0, and
2,
liftoff.
1,
Final launch of
0.
Endeavour.
Launch and NASA inside.
Expanding our lives in space.
Endeavour's 3 Houston is now controlled at full throttle. Endeavour 3 into the right shape. Endeavour's already to its back. The roll program underway as Endeavour begins the heads down position on course for 51.6 degree, 136 by 36 statute mile orbit. At liftoff, Endeavour fully fueled. Weight 4.5 million pounds. It's already lost half that weight, and propellant now burned that weight. Next 3 engines now throttling down as Endeavour passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle. 2 minute lower atmosphere. Those boosters are burning 11,000. Approaching 1 minute into the flight.
Endeavour, go at throttle up.
And standing by for Endeavour's 3 main engines now back at full throttle. All 3 engines in good shape. Endeavour's already traveling 1,300 miles per hour at an altitude of 11 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, now 12 miles. The onboard guidance system has done its job of settling out any dispersions introduced at booster separation. At liftoff, Endeavour fully fueled 3,200 miles per hour. Weight 4.5 million pounds. It's already lost half that weight. In propellant now burned that weight. Next event is burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. That'll come here shortly at the 2 minute 3 second point. Those boosters are burning 11,000 pounds of fuel per second. Endeavour can reach a TAL site in the event of a single engine failure. However, standing by for separation of the solid rocket boosters on its final historic voyage. This view looking down the external fuel tank, the orbiter there on the top, as Endeavour continues to power its way into orbit, traveling 4,000 miles per hour down. The onboard guidance system has done its job of settling out any dispersions introduced at booster separation. The orbiter is now traveling 3,200 miles per hour, downrange 50 miles, altitude 37 miles. All systems in good shape. 3 good hydraulic systems, auxiliary power units, and fuel cells. The fuel cells providing electrical power to all of the systems. All 3 Endeavour can reach a TAL site in the event of a single engine failure. However, all 3 are in good shape. The Space Shuttle Endeavour sailing into fair winds on its final historic voyage. This view looking down the external fuel tank, the orbiter there on the top, as Endeavour continues to power its way into orbit, traveling 4,000 miles per hour downrange, 90 miles altitude, 50 miles, 3 minutes, 15 seconds into the flight. As are all of the other systems aboard the orbiter, quiet here in mission control as a team of flight controllers watches over all of the systems. 4 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight, Endeavour's traveling 5,500 miles per hour. Altitude now 63 miles, traveling downrange 186 miles, or about 335,000 feet in altitude. All 3 main engines still looking in good shape. Hydraulic systems and electrical systems on board the orbiter, providing cooling to all of the avionics equipment aboard the vehicle. Traveling into space on the forward flight deck is Commander Mark Kelly and pilot Greg Johnson. Between and behind them is flight engineer Roberto Vittori.